Hello, amazing scholars. Welcome to another mathematics class with Miss Rebecca. Today, we want to consider addition and subtraction of three-digit numbers. Addition and subtraction of three-digit numbers. In our previous lessons, we talked about addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers, and we understood that addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers are done under tens and units. But today we are looking at addition and subtraction of three-digit numbers. And it is important for us to note that addition and subtraction of three-digit numbers are done under hundred, tens, and units. To begin with, we want to look at addition of three-digit numbers, both with regrouping and without regrouping. On the screen, I have two examples. The first one is 123 plus 231, while the second one is 428 plus 235. The first one is without regrouping, while the second one is with regrouping. And to solve the first one, we count out 3 and 1 under the units. Then we have 4 as the answer. 2 plus 3 at the tens place equals 5, while at the hundred place 1 plus 2 equals 3. Moving to addition with regrouping, 8 plus 5, and beginning from the unit place now, 8 plus 5 equals 13. Of course, we write 3 and move 1 to the tens place. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. There is no remainder under the tens place, so we simply count out 4 under the hundred place and 2. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Moving further, we shall also consider subtraction of three-digit numbers without regrouping and with regrouping. And on the screen, we have two examples. The first one is 604 minus 202. Of course, it is subtraction without regrouping. We first of all count out 4 under the unit place and take away 2. The answer is 2. And under our tens place, we have 0 minus 0, and the answer is 0. Moving to the hundreds place, 6 minus 2 equals 4. Let's now consider subtraction of three-digit numbers with regrouping. I have 523 minus 236. What we'll do is begin from the unit place, count out 3 and take away 6. That is impossible. We simply borrow 1 from 2 under the tens place, bring it before the 3, and that makes 13. 13 minus 6 equals 7. Don't forget that we have 1 left under the tens place. So 1 minus 3 is equally impossible. What we simply do is borrow 1 from 5, add it to 1, we have 11. 11 minus 3 equals 8. Under the hundred place now, we have 4 left. 4 minus 4 equals 2. Okay, champion, let's see if you can attempt these activities on the screen. Number one, 419 minus 320. And number two, 543 plus 134. Okay, let's do the solution together. 543 plus 134. Of course, you know that we are to arrange our numbers under hundred, tens, and units since they are three-digit numbers. Now 3 plus 4, I'm beginning from the tens place, that equals 7. Under the tens place, 4 plus 3 also equals 7, while 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay, the second exercise is subtraction. Arrange under hundred, tens, and units also, then begin from the unit place. 9 minus 0 equals 9. Under the tens place, we have 1 up and 2 down. Count out 1 and take away 2. That is impossible. What we simply do is to borrow 1 from 4 under the hundred place, add it, join it to 1 under the tens place. That equals 11. 11 minus 2 equals 9. Don't forget that under the hundred place, we now have 3 up, 3 down. 3 minus 3 equals 0. You can decide to write your 0 or just leave your answer like that. Okay, lovelies. You can also try on your own to practice more on addition and subtraction of three-digit numbers. Catch up with you in the next stream. Thank you for watching. Bye.